Whoa. Whoa.
यारी दोस्ती, प्यार व्यार and the grand finale of that blockbuster love story, शादी. किसको नहीं पसंद?
Indians है after all. When two Desis get married, हल्दी, मेहंदी, cocktail, संगीत, रोना धोना, रीति रिवाज, bring down the roof parties.
Bring down the roof parties and the groom and the bride and the bridesmaids and their best friends जो अपने दोस्तों के लिए कुछ भी कर सकते हैं.
Exactly. That's what our show is all about. यारी दोस्ती शादी, where we bring you the brightest Indian weddings through the best friend's eyes.
तो इसमें हम कहाँ फिट होते हैं?
Wedding crashers, that's us. We will befriend the best friends to get you all the masala. In fact,
हम काम पे ऑलरेडी लग चुके हैं.
दुल्हन का भाई. मैं समर, दूल्हे का भाई.
I'm Mohini, bride's high flying friend.
मैं अवल, दूल्हे का नंबर 1 यार.
I am Alec and that tall girl over there is Harni.
but guys, शादी किसकी है?
अरे full on international style wedding है यार.
अरे Alec, but who's getting married?
Why don't we hear it from the homies themselves, yeah? After all, यही तो है यारी दोस्ती शादी.
Whatever.
Aneha is basically the typical Delhi bubbly girl. She is always there for you. She is the one you can call at 2 a.m., 4 a.m. तुम कुछ भी बुरा कर दो, वो तुम्हारे लिए कभी कुछ बुरा नहीं करेगी. ये अनेहा है, अच्छी सी, सिंपल सी.
I don't generally have a lot of friends, but yeah, Aneha is one person who is like somewhat like one of the best friends I have.
We've traveled the world together. We've seen places. We've had our highs and lows together.
Opened my eyes, someone slapped me. That's my elder brother Nishant. A ball of energy and very emotional.
Passionate, he's energetic, he's a little crazy.
He cries a lot.
I met Aneha when you were working in our hotel.
Every day in the morning, 7 o'clock, he used to pick me up.
Then after that, the unluckiest thing happened. She left from Delhi and she went to Abu Dhabi.
I actually felt that something is missing, and he was also feeling the same. That's why we used to talk for 4 hours every day, like 12 to 4.
Finally, Aneha brought this question after that. Would you like to, get together, basically?
It wasn't proposal, but that's how we started dating.
I took her out for a normal dinner. I got her a promise ring and went down onto my knees and I was like, let's do this. She's like, okay, cool.
Very excited. It's happening after 2 years. I really wanted this from day one because I really loved Nishant. Two very special people in my life are the first one being Mohini, my really, really close friend, and the second one being my brother. For him, he's 5 years younger to me, and my mom tells me that I really wanted a brother, and I used to pray every single day that I want a brother, I want a brother, I want a brother. So he's been very special to me since he was born.
First of all, I've been her designated driver. I take her to everywhere, and in fact, I did that card distribution. Hi Mote. I think तुझे बात पता नहीं होगी, but last 3-4 दिन से I'm going out to send all the cards to all our relatives, and you know what? I've been to places that you cannot even imagine. Like this is on the way. I'm going to Chandigarh and I'm going there from Dehradun. I went to places I cannot even spell. I love you a lot, and this is not gonna change no matter what, who's gonna come in your life, but still I will have my way of doing it. So bye bye.
first task was for Mohini because I have a lot of friends coming from Abu Dhabi or Doha or even here. So her job was to get return gifts. I had no clue what to give them because they're coming all the way from there.
मैं दिल्ली से नहीं हूँ. So Chandni Chowk, first of all, to find where the place is and then to get there. Yeah, it was very difficult.
Anmol, I think he's the one handling the entire wedding. But from my side, his task was my mehndi.
Obviously, arranging everything for about 150 people, it's not that easy.
So Awal's task was basically to get all the ingredients for the haldi.
Usually women actually take care of the ceremony, but I just wanted to prove that men can actually deliver.
There are two occasions where I can lose a lot of money. One is that Rasta Rukai and Juta Chapai. Okay, so I'm counting on Samarth to at least save one.
रास्ता रोक के तो दिखाए, सीए बैठा है यहाँ पे, पैसे लेके तो दिखाए.
Arlene, I think this works for me.
Yaar, I'm so confused. I love every outfit. Can you hand me the next one, please?
Well, a decision is never easy when it comes to wedding clothes, especially if it's your own wedding. But when it comes to elegance and glamour, only one name comes to mind. And right now, our first couple on Yari Dosti Shadi is meeting design chief Anita Dongre.
What? Nishant and Aneha are meeting her right now?
यार अर्लीन, जितनी देर तू ट्रायल रूम में रहेगी ना, उतनी देर 10 कपल्स की शादी हो जाएगी.
Just shut up, okay? Can you pass me the green outfit, please?
डिनर भी भिजवा दूं क्या? क्या? खाएगी? I know you're always ready to eat.
Whatever.
Great to finally see you all. My team has been, having discussions with both of you, but it's so nice to put faces to the names. And I must say, you'll make a lovely couple and you'll look lovely together.
Thank you. Nishant wanted a blue suit and I wanted a gold gown. But then later I looked at Anita Dongre's catalogue and I realized that she plays with color a lot. And I loved her gowns which had blue in it. So I actually asked them to change it last minute and told them that I want a blue gown.
My sense of style for Indian bridal wear has to be Indian craft, which is Gotapati and Zardozi. When Aneha wanted a beautiful bridal gown, I chose to handcraft the bridal gown using Gotapati on a Western silhouette, and I just love how beautiful it's looking. I'm just dying to know, how did you two guys meet?
I think it was destiny for us.
So it wasn't love at first sight. It
No,
was
but-
friendship first.
Yes.
Which is always lovely, I think.
Yeah, you get to know the person, you test waters, and then you finally get to know, yes, this is your soulmate.
It was amazing. She's very down to earth. She took care of us. Her entire team took care of us.
I think the brief that you gave me, I hope I live up to your expectations.
You will, I'm sure.
And looking at you now, I just think the gown is just perfect for you. And what I've enjoyed doing here is taking this very traditional, hundreds of years old art of Gotapati, which is actually done in Jaipur. So your gown goes, the fabric gets marked here, goes to Jaipur. We have master craftsmen there who embroider it. And then it comes back to finally get tailored over here.
So how much time did it take?
It takes almost about 20 days.
So that's for us, and we have 4 troublemakers with us. So Anita Dongre is also styling Mohini and Anmol, and even Nishant's friends, Aval and Samar. So we have these Snapchat videos for you. They have some messages in how they want and what they want. So I can show it to you if you want to see it now.
Yes, of course, I'd love to.
So this one is my best friend. Her name is Mohini.
Looking forward to get styled by you for Neha.
She wanted a gold gown and really desi and videsi together. So they made her a crop top with a golden skirt, which looks amazing. That is my brother.
Yeah. Oh, that's your brother?
Yeah.
Cute. What's his name?
Anmol.
It's done. But I just have one little
My brother wanted very classy look and he wanted to look the best.
rest. I know you're gonna nail it. Alright.
So that is Samar, Nishant's brother.
Nishant's younger brother. I'm next in line, It can't be good either. How about better than good. Now there's a challenge for you.
They're lovely, the friends, and I'm looking forward to now, putting their clothes together. I want it to be a fantastic picture with them and their 4 friends, and we'll like to coordinate, the whole look, so it just makes a great picture. So, ready to see your clothes?
Yes.
Very excited.
Very excited.
Very excited.
Come. She wanted something contemporary. For me, the Anita Dongre bride who's a very, very confident person, and she obviously came across as that. So here we are. Wow. Oh my God. I'm so happy with this gown. So there you are. So I want you to try it on.
It's so nice. Thank you so much.
I want you to wear it.
Saw the gown, and after telling them last minute, it was perfect. No fittings done, no trials done. I had seen him in blue suit before, but this one was amazing. I actually told him that I'm going to fall for you again. He looked so handsome. I actually felt that, seriously.
Oh my God, this is amazing.
The fit's perfect, I think.
And look at you, my God. You look so dashing. I am always excited. I mean, it always takes my breath away, because you make these clothes, but then someone actually walks out wearing them, it just takes, you gasp. And I was like, wow. Beautiful Pink City earrings.
Wow.
For you to wear.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Pink City is my jewelry line. It's in collaboration with Mr. Pradeep Jethani, who's a designer himself. It's again all handcrafted Jarrah pieces. It is produced in Jaipur. So the first thing that strikes you about Aneha is her gorgeous smile. I mean, oh my God, that smile. So I was just telling her that you've got such an amazing smile. And Nishant said, well, that's exactly what I fell in love with. I fell in love with her smile. So my wish to them is that may they both keep smiling each and every day of their lives, and her smile should just get bigger and bigger and bigger.
Well, Nishant and Aneha's clothes are sorted for the reception, but शादी अभी बाकी है यार, और मैं वहीं जा रहा हूँ. अच्छा, Harleen, don't be late this time, because I've heard there's some good food at the wedding.
Place what I thought about and what I saw was a total surprise. Surprise is not the word, chaos.
In addition to the mehndi arrangement which was there, we did plan a surprise. Like me and Mohini planned a surprise for Aneha.